Unity and trust, the building blocks of harmonious relationships. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will explore the profound meanings and implications of two pivotal concepts: unity and trust. Understanding these terms is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about grasping the essence of successful and harmonious relationships, whether in personal life, work, or within communities. So, let's dive into these powerful notions and discover how they shape interactions and bonds between individuals. Unity refers to the state of being one or the act of coming together as a group. It's much more than a mere gathering of individuals. Unity is about collaboration, mutual support, and the pursuit of common goals. In a unified group, people work towards a shared purpose, respecting and valuing each other's contributions. The strength of unity. Unity is often symbolized by the phrase, "United we stand, divided we fall." This means that a group that works in harmony is stronger and can face challenges more effectively than individuals working alone. Unity in diversity. Unity doesn't imply uniformity. It celebrates diversity, recognizing that each individual's unique qualities contribute to the strength and richness of the whole. Trust is the firm belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. It's a crucial element in any relationship, serving as the foundation upon which interactions and connections are built. Trust as a foundation. Just like a building needs a strong foundation to stand, relationships require trust to grow and thrive. Without trust, doubts and insecurities emerge, weakening bonds and collaboration. Building and maintaining trust. Trust is not given, it's earned. It grows over time through consistent and honest actions. Maintaining trust requires integrity, transparency, and open communication. Unity and trust are deeply interconnected. Trust serves as the glue that holds people together, enabling the formation of a unified group. Conversely, a unified group fosters an environment where trust can thrive. Trust in a unified group. In a unified group, members feel safe and are more open to sharing ideas and taking risks, knowing that their contributions are valued and respected. Unity through trust. Trust also strengthens unity. When people trust each other, they are more likely to collaborate effectively and work towards common goals, reinforcing the unity of the group. In conclusion, unity and trust are not just words but are fundamental principles that drive strong, effective, and harmonious relationships. Whether in a family, among friends, in the workplace, or within a community, fostering unity and trust can lead to remarkable achievements and deep, meaningful connections. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of these concepts and inspired you to cultivate them in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, together in unity and trust, we can accomplish incredible things.